In this video, I'm going to show you how to set 200 EMA on TradingView. So the first thing you need to do is just go to the top corner toward the left hand side and click on indicator. After I click on indicator, search moving average. Moving average. So select moving average exponential, which is the correct one, the right one. So after I select it, as you can see, it has appeared on my chart. So to make it a 200, then double click on that blue arrow or whichever color that shows, or you can simply just click it once, then double click on this EMA, then change the length to 200, then press OK. As you can see, the indicator has changed its position. So, and that's it. Hope you find this video helpful. Please kindly like and subscribe to the channel.